Hello and welcome to CWU. My name is Shawn Marie Fox and I am one of the nurse practitioners at the Student Health Services. I am excited to share with you today a look at the services that we offer and how we can serve you this quarter. Let's start with a tour through the clinic. We are located across the parking lot from the CIRC. We are also the closest campus building to Starbucks. We are also across the street from Meisner Hall. Make sure as you are walking to the clinic that you are wearing your face covering. As you approach the front doors, you will notice a whole bunch of signs. These are all reminders that you need an appointment, and if you do not have an appointment, to please call before entering the building. As you go through the double doors, you will come to the front desk. Take note of the red X's on the floor and make sure to stand at least 6 feet away if there is someone in line in front of you. At the front desk, they will ask for your name and student ID number. Before you come to the clinic, there is paperwork that you will need to fill out. You can do all of that on your student health portal. Make sure that you fill out all of the information before you even come to the clinic, including your medical insurance information. If these forms are not filled out before your appointment, we will ask you to reschedule. Emergencies are an exception, of course, but only emergencies. After the front desk checks you in, they will direct you to the waiting room. You will notice that there are 6 feet social distancing signs. Please follow these directions and sit 6 feet away from other students. One of our nursing staff will call your name and bring you to an exam room where they will take down information about why you made the appointment today, as well as take vital signs such as temperature, pulse, and blood pressure. They will then let the nurse practitioner know that you are ready for your appointment. If needed, the nurse practitioner may order lab tests, and so you will go to see our laboratory technician, where he will draw your blood and take other samples if needed. You may need an X-ray, and we can do that in the clinic as well. If you need a procedure done, we will show you to the procedure room instead. When your appointment is done, you will leave the clinic the way you came in, maybe stopping by the front desk to make a follow-up appointment if you need to. Clinic hours. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. this fall quarter, and we are functioning by appointment only. If you have any questions or concerns or do not know if you need any appointment, you can call the clinic and talk to one of our triage nurses. They will ask you about your symptoms and what has been going on and make recommendations for how you can care for yourself at home or offer you an appointment for further evaluation. If you get sick outside of our clinic hours, there are several places where you can get care. These include Kittitas Valley Urgent Care, which is located on Mountain View Avenue, or the emergency room at Kittitas Valley Hospital, which is just down Chestnut Street. If there is an emergency, you can always call 911, but reserve doing that for true emergencies. In addition to local resources, CWU has also contracted with a telehealth agency to provide free access for students, and it's covered by your student fee. Check your campus email toward the beginning of the quarter for more information. Student Health Services offers a wide variety of services. We function as a primary care clinic. We can see you for any health issue that you are experiencing. If you get injured, we can treat you. We have an X-ray machine and procedure room on site. We can also do minor surgical procedures, such as removing something that needs to be tested or sewing up a cut if you get injured. We offer birth control counseling and prescriptions for all types of birth control, including the procedures to place IUDs and the implant or Nexplanon. If you need a general physical or a clearance for sports participation or your first pap smear, we can do all these things for you at the clinic. When you need sexually transmitted infection or STI screening and treatment, we can also provide those services for you. We have a whole range of immunizations available at the clinic, and every fall we offer free flu shots. So in the next month, look for information on campus about how to get your free flu shot. If you have been treated for a chronic illness, such as high blood pressure or diabetes, our experienced nurse practitioners can review the care plan from your previous medical provider and provide help for you to continue to manage this chronic illness. If you need medication, we can see you and send the medication to a pharmacy if needed. And if you need labs drawn, we have a laboratory in the clinic. If you have any questions about whether we can help you, you can just call us. During COVID, things are going to be different. Remember, if you need an appointment, please call ahead. We will not be offering walk-in appointments this year. You need an appointment in order to be seen. When you make the appointment, we will give you instructions for what to do when you come to the clinic. As with all places on campus, you will be required to wear a face covering over your nose and mouth when you enter the clinic. We will call and ask you questions about whether you have any symptoms of COVID before you come to the clinic, so that we can make sure to provide you the best care while at the same time protecting other students. Our staff is taking extra measures to keep our facility and all of the exam rooms clean and sanitized between patient visits. We will have testing capability at our clinic, and we will be following Washington State Department of Health testing guidelines for when and how often to test. Additionally, due to COVID, we will be conducting a lot of visits over the telephone. Depending on what you're dealing with, we will make you an appointment either in the clinic or on a telephone call with one of our nurse practitioners. This is in an effort to keep students and our staff healthy. As always, if you need to be seen in person, we will arrange that. We appreciate your help in keeping us all safe. Thank you for giving me the chance to talk with you all today. I hope that I was able to answer some of your questions and provide enough information for you to be able to start to access health services here at CWU. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you around campus this quarter.